man up mentality in a couple of different respects. Hugh McGing will get a big opportunity in the top six for the trying to make a statement in his return to the Hartford lineup. He is on the ice to start things with no in the right corner. Flipping back to the right point, Hunter Skinner rolling one toward the front. Big save, rebound, Sam Bitten scores! First of the year for Sam Bitten. On Grew, slick little setup by Hoffman. Now Belzile on the up against the slot. Grew a one-timer, he scores. Into the break. Final shot total in period 1, 14. In all but 5 games that they have played this year. Off the draw, LaFerrier, right wing side. Kessel, the shot, he scores! McGing trying to plow his way in front. Skinner, a one-time bid. Save Duran. Rebound is in. They score! Relatively quick discussion. And now they're waving it off. Pekka in on the left wing. Pekka moves in. He shoots. Off the post. He scores! Grew across ice for Soucy. Soucy's in front, they score. Bells. Silvergard to the right wing with space. Silvergard the shot, he scores! Grew centering, Robrick fanned on the one-time bid. Robertson chips ahead to Peterson. Dylan Peterson works his way past Korzak, and Dylan Peterson to the empty net. Sam Bitten, who got the night started with a goal in the first 2 minutes and change, fittingly makes the final touch on the puck as the T-Birds have won this one tonight. They defeat the Wolf Pack 5-2. We'll wrap it up when we return.